Hello students, welcome to 6th standard mathematics digital class. Let's continue with lesson number 4, operations on fractions. We will start with practice set 10. Question number 2, subtract. The first example is 3 and 1 upon 3 minus 1 and 1 upon 4. Multiply 3 into 3 plus 1. Multiply 1 into 4 plus 1. So 3 into 3 plus 1 upon 3 minus 1 into 4 plus 1 upon 4. Now solve this. 3 3s are 9 plus 1 upon 3 minus 1 4s are 4 plus 1 upon 4. 9 plus 1, 10 upon 3 minus 4 plus 1, 5 upon 4. These are unlike fraction. To subtract the fraction, you have to convert it into like fractions. Make denominator equal. So for that, write their multiples. Multiples of 3. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. Now write multiples of 4. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. Now find out common multiple. 12 is the common multiple. So make denominator 12. Three 4s are 12. So denominator 3 multiplied by 4. The same thing is with numerator 10 multiplied by 4. Minus 4 3s are 12. So 4 into 3, numerator 5 also multiplied by 3. 10 4s are 40 upon 3 4s are 12 minus 5 3s are 15 upon 4 3s are 12. Now these are like fractions. So subtract its numerator. 40 minus 15 upon 12. 40 minus 15, 25 upon 12. This is improper fraction. You have to convert it into mixed number. So for that, divide 25 by 12. 12 2s are 24. Now subtract it. 5 minus 4, 1. 2 minus 2, 0. Write the answer into mixed number. Quotient is whole number. Remainder 1 is numerator. And divisor 12 is denominator. So your answer is 2 and 1 upon 12. Now moving on next example, 7 and 1 upon 8 minus 6 and 1 upon 10. This is mixed number and you have to convert it into improper fraction. So 7 multiplied by 8 plus 1, 6 multiplied by 10 plus 1. So 7 into 8 plus 1 upon 8 minus 6 into 10 plus 1 upon 10. 7 8s are 56 plus 1 upon 8 minus 6 10s are 60 plus 1 upon 10. 56 plus 1, 57 upon 8 minus 60 plus 1, 61 upon 10. These are unlike fractions. So to subtract, you have to convert it into like fraction. So make denominator equal. For that write their multiples. Multiples of 8. 8, 16, 24, 32, 40. Write multiples of 10. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Now find out its common multiple. So 40 is the common multiple. Make denominator 40. Eight fives are 40. So denominator 8 multiplied by 5. The same thing is with numerator 57 multiplied by 5 minus 10 fours are 40. So 10 multiplied by 4 and 61 multiplied by 4. Multiplied 57 by 5, the answer is 285 upon 8 fives are 40 minus multiply 61 by 4, the answer is 244 upon 10 fours are 40. These are like fractions, so subtract its numerator. 285 minus 244 upon 40. 285 minus 244, the answer is 41 upon 40. The answer is in improper fraction. Your question given in mixed number, so convert this answer into mixed number. So divide 41 by 40. 41s are 40. Subtract it. 1 minus 0, 1. 4 minus 4, 0. Write the answer. Quotient 1 is whole number. Remainder 1 is numerator. And divisor 40 is denominator. So your answer is 1 and 1 upon 40. Let's move on question number 3. Solve. This is word problem. I will read for you. Suyash bought 2.5 kg of sugar and Ashish bought 3.5 kg. How much sugar did they buy altogether? If sugar costs 32 rupees per kg, how much did they spend on the sugar they bought? Now, what is given thing? Suyash bought 2.5 kg of sugar. Ashish bought 3.5 kg of sugar. Cost of 1 kg sugar, that is rupees 32. Now, what to find out? Total sugar and total money spent on sugar. 2.5 kg plus 3.5 kg. This sugar bought by Suyash and 3.5 kg bought by Ashish. So add it. Multiply 2 into 2 plus 1. Multiply 3 into 2 plus 1. 2 into 2 plus 1 upon 2 plus 3 into 2 plus 1 upon 2. Now solve this. 2 2s are 4 plus 1 upon 2 plus 3 2s are 6 plus 1 upon 2. 4 plus 1, 5 upon 2 plus 6 plus 1, 7 upon 2. These are like fractions, so add its numerator. 5 plus 7 upon 2. 5 plus 7, 12 upon 2. So 12 upon 2 or 12 divided by 2. 12 divided by 2, 6. So students, 6 kg of sugar. They bought 6 kg of sugar. Cost of 1 kg sugar, that is rupees 32, it is mentioned in the word problem. So cost of 6 kg sugar. So multiply rupees 32 into 6 kg. Multiply 32 into 6, the answer is 192 rupees. So write the answer in full sentence. They spent rupees 192 on sugar. Here I have solved one word problem from question number 3. You solve question number 2 and question number 3 in your notebook. See you in the next video. Bye.